Hey there, friends. Welcome to Lifestyle Homemade, your cozy corner on YouTube where we take everyday food items you already have at home and turn them into something delicious, creative, and fun. Whether you're a busy parent, a student on a budget, or just someone who loves making the most out of what's already in the kitchen, this is your channel. From simple snacks to homemade treats, food hacks, and DIY food projects, we're all about keeping it real, simple, and totally doable. I'm just starting out, and my goal is to reach 100 amazing subscribers who believe in this homemade journey. So if you're into cozy, creative food content that's made with love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's grow together, one homemade bite at a time. See you in the next video, and until then, stay inspired and stay homemade.